It is reported by Qurayb, the slave freed by Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Azhar and Hazrat Miswar bin Makhrama radiyallahu anhum sent me to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, saying, convey your salutation to her and inquire of her the percept about 2 units after the Asr prayer, as we have come to know that you perform 2 units, whereas it has also reached us that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has prevented from it. Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says that he along with Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu would be those who would perform those 2 units. Qurayb narrates, I visited her and conveyed her for what I had been dispatched to her. He said, inquire it from Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha. I brought it to their notice, so they sent me to Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha with the same message for which they had dispatched me to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha said, I have heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam preventing from them. Once he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the Asr prayer, then came to me while there were some women belonging to Banu Haram, a branch of the Ansar, along with me. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed these 2 units. I sent him the slave girl, saying, standing beside him, say that, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anhu says, haven't I heard you prohibiting these 2 units which I am watching you performing? If he sallallahu alaihi wasallam beckons with his hand, you should get aside. So the slave girl did the same, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam beckoned with his hand. So she got aside. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to go, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Abu Umayyah's daughter, you have asked about performing 2 units after the Asr prayer. So the matter is that some people from the tribe Abul Qais have come to me and asking some questions about their people's embracing Islam, due to which I could not perform 2 units of the Zuhr prayer. These are those units. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4370.